Hello viewers, in today's episode we have an objective question to solve and it's given by 4 options. So let's solve and see what we have. Let's rewrite. This is 2a plus 3b equals 11. We are told to find 4 power a, 8 power b, right? So this 4 can be written in terms of 2 power 2 raised to power a times 8 can be written as 2 power 3 raised to power b. We are trying to calculate what it is, right? So for this is 2 power 2a times 2 power 3b equals what, right? Now for this, since we have same basis, we add up the power since we have multiplication as the operation between them, right? So this is 2 power, this is 2a plus 3b to be what we don't know, right? Now for this, you can see clearly this is what we are told, that 2a plus 3b is 11, right? So if I substitute, I will have 2 power 11 to be the result, right? Now let's check in the option. Do we have such? Yes, we have option B to be that result. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to share, comment, subscribe. Thanks, and see you in the next episode.